Hi, I'm Manish Kumar, certified Pranic Healing instructor and co-founder of Healing Buddha Bangalore. Today we'll talk about hypertension or say high blood pressure. What is hypertension? So before we understand hypertension, let's understand what is blood pressure and how it is measured. So the pressure exerted by the blood on the walls of arteries is measured by the device. So that is the device will measure systolic versus diastolic, and the normal reading will be 120 to 180. Anything which is more than this reading will get into a category of hypertension or say high blood pressure. Anything below this reading will get into the category of hypotension or low blood pressure. Now, the common symptoms related to hypertension, again, the people who have severe headaches, nose bleeding, fatigue or confusion sometimes, vision problem, chest pain, difficulty in breathing, irregular heartbeat, sometimes bleeding in urine, and kidney ailments as well. Now, the people who are at risk or say common causes of having hypertension is smoking, because nicotine affects the arteries leading to the hypertension, obesity or overweight, diabetes, having a sedentary lifestyle, having high salt or alcohol intake levels in the food, insufficient consumption of calcium, potassium or magnesium, deficiency of vitamin D can also contribute to hypertension, stress, aging, or chronic kidney disease. Now, although hypertension itself is a one ailment, but it has a potential to create other complications in the body as such. So it can affect brain. People are more vulnerable to have stroke because the arteries once get affected leading to the brain, they can lead to stroke. Heart, the arteries loses elasticity because of the hypertension, create more pressure on the heart, leading to other heart related complications. Lungs, that's how we say pulmonary hypertension. Kidneys, yes, kidneys get affected or it lead to kidney ailment. Now, from the energy point of view, there is a one energy center, we call it main chakra, which controls the person hyper blood pressure and also the kidneys. It's only one center. Anytime either the problem happens in the blood pressure or in the kidney, this energy center get affected. So that means that if the person having kidney ailments, they are going to develop hypertension, or if the person has a hypertension, they are definitely going to develop a problem related to kidneys. Very common. From energy point of view, how we approach in healing. So from energy point of view, we say that our physical body has two parts. First is the invisible physical body or invisible energy body, which interpenetrates this physical body and extend beyond your physical body, and the visible physical body, which we can touch and see and feel. Anything, any ailment happens to the physical body will always create an imbalance in the energy counterpart of the body. Now, there's any medicine, any therapy taken to the physical body or only will address or improve the condition of the physical body, not significantly on the energy counterpart. So the smart thing to do is continue your medications, integrate with your energy healing so that the medicines and the therapies addresses the physical body, the visible physical body, and the energy body get addressed through the energy healing. When both are integrated together, the healing or say recovery of the body is super fast. Sometimes it's miraculous. So for hypertension, how we approach in healing? So for hypertension, we know that energy center has to be normalized, which is not functioning properly to normalize the hypertension or say blood pressure of a person. Apart from that, we know that the hypertension has the potential to create vein-related issues, heart-related, lung-related, and also the kidney-related issues. So we have to address the entire associated organs and system as well, so that any underlying issues which may develop sooner or later to the patient can be addressed or healed or say avoided completely. Many times the hypertension itself is psychosomatic in nature. That means there are deep-seated emotional reasons which has contributed to this condition as well. Medically, it is said around 70 to 75% of the ailments or chronic ailments are psychosomatic in nature. Our emotions affect our physical body to a great extent. I have many cases of hypertension where the people are under very high frequency of dialysis with along with the hypertension. With the healing, the dialysis frequency has reduced significantly. So is the blood pressure. It is, I would say, it is a myth that the people who have a hypertension, they have to take medications throughout the life to manage the hypertension. Not correct always. If we integrate with the healing, definitely it can be managed much easily. The smaller dosage can be experienced. So how we do healing? When the healing is started, we always advise the patient or the client to be in constant touch with the doctor so that the medical doctor can advise as your blood pressure is normalizing, they can reduce the dosage of medications and slowly and gradually, once the body start normalizing, right, the medication might not be required, or even if it is, the dosage of that will get minimized to a great extent. And the best part of getting the healing is it addresses the underlying associated issues which may or most likely will happen to the patient of hypertension. Like I mentioned earlier, brain, lungs, heart, or kidneys, and other as well. So at Healing Buddha, we do thorough healing for our clients, taking complete case history for the client, prepare a well-curated healing schedules, regular feedback and updates, provide counseling, lifestyle suggestions, and emotional support as and when required. So we are result-oriented healing center and have many successful cases where overall health and lifestyle has improved for our clients. We are available in our social media. You can always consult us if you need any help. Thank you.